All right. Next up, we've got Cape Town. Steve, can you show Cape Town? Sup, Cape? Can you wave?
Town.
All right. From Cape Town, we've got two questions, and I'm going to sum them up all at once. So the first question comes from Christian, and he says, or she says, interesting, how does government incentivize small businesses? And then the second question comes from Ayanda, and again, he or she, I'm not too sure. How does government avoid using entrepreneurship as a cure to as a cure to poverty, but rather a solution to self-empowerment? That's Cape Town for you.
Government has identified that small and medium enterprises and entrepreneurs are also a key to the advancement of our economic development. It is for this reason that government decided we're going to have this ministry. And government recognizes that big business cannot absorb all the people who are looking for jobs. But government has realized the fact that one entrepreneur who has a business has got an opportunity of growing from one person employed to 2 to 3 to 5 and so forth. Now, let me just make an example. For instance, over there, during the week we were in Cape Town, and we visited a place called Fentech. They produce furniture. What Fentech does, it takes people and puts them in cubicles. And in those cubicles, they allow people to produce whatever they want to produce. I found a young person there who was doing furniture. You know these cupboards that we have in the kitchen with the little sink? For those who know RDP houses, they know some of them you can kick them and they fall off. Now, that young man there is producing something very solid. And I asked him a question. If you were to get a large order, would you be able to make the order? He says, if I were to get an order, where am I going to get the big order? So I said to him, you should have thought. There's RDP houses that are being built. The Minister of Human Settlement is the one that is supposed to help you to get that big order, because how many houses are being built? So it's about people getting out there and understanding and taking advantage what is there. Government is not going to be taking advantage. Government has to support. Government has to assist. Government has to even knock on the doors of the private sector to say, can you incubate these people so that they can grow?